One of the most common questions new Adobe Stock contributors ask is, how do I actually receive my money from Adobe Stock? You upload images. Yes, you upload images, videos, illustrations, or AI content. You start getting downloads. Your earnings increase. But what happens next? How much money do you need before withdrawing? Which payment methods are available? How long does it take to receive the money? So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll explain the complete Adobe Stock payout process in simple language step by step. So before talking about withdrawals, let's quickly understand how earnings work. Every time someone downloads your content, suppose this image is downloaded by a user and then Adobe Stock pays you a royalty. The amount depends on content type, license type, and buyer's subscription plan. See, this is an image and download depends on 3 types, which I already mentioned. Sometimes you may earn a few cents and sometimes you may earn a few dollars. Let me show you. See, this image got to $4.46 and one of my image got let's see, 0.28. So it totally depends on the content type, license type, and buyer subscription plan. As downloads increase, your earnings accumulate inside your contributor account. The earning will collected here. You can see this option, payout option. Think of it like a wallet. Every sales add money to the wallet. Now let's say you have started getting downloads. Where can you see your money? Simply, you just have to simply log into your Adobe Stock contributor account. I have already logged in. You just have to log in your account. And you have to go to the dashboard section and you will see the statistics. And you can also see this lifetime, month, week, year earnings, and all the earnings will be shown here only. And you can also see the statistics option. This balance keeps increasing whenever your contents get downloaded. I personally check this section regularly because it helps me understand which content is performing well. So what you have to do, you just have to click on this and you will see which image get how much of downloads, and for the most recent downloads you will see it here. So according to that, it will help me to understand my data, which image is getting more downloads, so I will make more of it alike. Now comes the important question, where can you withdraw your money? Adobe Stock requires contributors to reach a minimum payout threshold. In my earlier videos, I have already mentioned about this in detail. So I'll quickly just let you know. The minimum payout amount is $25. And this means you cannot withdraw earnings immediately after your first sale until you reach $25. You need to accumulate enough earnings before the withdrawal option becomes available. See, I have reached $25, so this option is showing you in blue color. If I don't reach that much amount of money, it will show you in gray color. So keep uploading and keep growing your portfolio. And once you reach the payment threshold, Adobe Stocks allows you to receive money through your approved payment methods. Depending on your reason, common options may include PayPal, Pioneer, Skrill, whatever you are using. You can give that details to the Adobe Stock contributor account detail, and these services act as bridge between Adobe Stock and your bank account. Many contributors prefer PayPal because it's simple and easy to set up. Others use Pioneer for international payments and direct bank transfers. Before requesting a payout, make sure your payment details are entered correctly. This is the most important thing, that you have to enter your details correctly. If you want to receive your amount in your bank account only, then you should check that twice. Now let's go through the actual withdrawal process. Log in into your Adobe Stock contributor account. I've already logged in, so that's it. You have to log in and you have to open the contributor dashboard, and this is the dashboard. Okay, see, you have to reach $25. You can also collect the amount and withdraw whenever you want to, but this time I am withdrawing my amount right now. And now you have to click on this and go to the payment or payout section. This is the payout section, you can see, and click on this payout, yes, and then you have to select few details which you have to check it carefully. Are you a US tax resident? If you are a US tax resident, you have to submit a tick basically to yes, I am a US tax resident, and if you are not, you have to select this option. So I'm not a US tax resident, so I'm selecting the second option. And amount is right, and payment method I have selected, and email also is correct. So by checking every details, I'll just click on transfer. See, your payout request has been successfully submitted. It will be processed within 7 to 10 business days. So after that, Adobe processes the payment. Depending on the payment provider, the money usually arrives after processing is completed. Many contributors make small mistakes that can delay payments. For example, if you have write incorrect PayPal email or wrong Pioneer information, unverified payment accounts, and you have missed tax information. If you don't know what tax information is, how to fill it, I have already uploaded a video on that. You can check on my channel. And always double check your account details before requesting a payout. A few minutes of checking can save a lot of frustration later. If you're a beginner, don't focus on only withdrawals. Focus on growing your portfolio. This is a portfolio of yours. You can see this portfolio. This is my portfolio. So you have to keep focus on that part, that you are growing your portfolio. The more quality content you upload, the more opportunities you create for downloads. Many contributors spend too much time checking earnings every day. Instead, spend that time creating more content. That's usually what increases income in the long run. So that's a complete Adobe Stock withdrawal process explained in simple terms. From earning royalties to reaching the payout threshold and finally receiving your money. If you are already an Adobe Stock contributor, comment below. Have you received your first payout yet? And if you're starting, let me know how many files you have uploaded so far. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.